Good morning, Bitcoin traders. Today is Thursday, July 23rd. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning Central Time. And if you're a beginning trader or a long-term experienced trader, you may know that backtesting your trading system is an important part of getting prepared for success in your trading. So in the Lombard City community, we trade Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and now we're trading world markets with futures, Forex, and some stocks. And inside our membership area, I've set up charts so that you can look at the Bitcoin, Forex, and the indices, some of the commodities and stocks, and test your trading system with some back testing. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart that we have here today. And so the first step in being prepared to do your back testing is to write down your trading signals on a piece of paper so somebody else could actually read them. Don't have them just sort of floating around in your mind, but have them written down to say, I trade a 1, 2, 3 top formation when the exponential moving averages are crossing over at the same time that I find the relative strength index is showing me a divergence. And so it's pretty easy with these charts now to set up your different indicators. Let's go and make this a little thicker. And let's make this one a little thicker, red color, and a 20 period moving average. So now we can take a look at this chart and see if the price is making a 1, 2, 3 top formation, price is crossing over at the same time that we have a divergence in the move in the relative strength index. So the relative strength isn't diverging really strongly from the prices right now. The moving averages haven't crossed over, and the 1, 2, 3 formation hasn't confirmed itself yet. So I would still be watching. There's no trading signal for me here. But with the back testing, we can roll back here, move back over time, and even let's change it to a 1 hour chart so we get a longer time frame. Now we can zoom in to the past and start moving this chart ahead one period at a time and see, would I have made a trade at this time? I'm looking for the 1, 2, 3 bottom formation in this circumstance, and I'm looking for my moving averages to cross over at the same time that there is a divergence in the relative strength index. And so now I can go along, and here is where my moving averages just cross over on this bar right here. At the same time, the relative strength index is a little divergent, where it's a lot higher here than the prices have gone up. And I can continue walking through these prices to see if that would have been a good trading signal. And so long as the prices stay above both of my moving averages here, this is a good to stay into this trade. So of course, back testing doesn't really guarantee that it's going to work in the future or in the present, because nobody really knows what the future is. But it does give you a good idea of, is your trading signal sort of worthwhile testing out? And you can test this on Bitcoin. You can also test it on what we have here, the Canadian dollar or the Euro dollar, the Japanese yen, all of these different markets. And you can do the same thing. You can put in your indicators here. So I'm going to do the 2 exponential moving averages, the relative strength index, and then tune those so that one is the 9-day, a little thicker, and the other is the 20 period moving average. I'm going to go change the color on that and zoom in and watch. So here's my 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. The price is crossing over. The relative strength index is showing a kind of a divergence here, where we have it really low at this area and a little higher here relative to the prices. Not a real strong divergence in the RSI, but still we have the crossover here at this time. And it's easy to do these trades in hindsight. Of course, we can see that the price did go up, so we know it was a good trading signal. Doing it in real time as things are coming along is harder. So if I move this chart back, and I'm not really familiar with the Japanese yen too much, then I could zoom in and start doing my one step at a time. Here's a crossover that you could not have traded because it was a big gap move. But here the prices came up and filled that gap. Interesting. Now I could go ahead one click at a time and go back, take a look at this moment. Would I have known to put that trade on by my trading signals? Probably not on that one. That would have caught me unaware. So there you have it, a good little quick video on how to do some back testing. So I hope to see you guys inside the Lumbridge City membership area. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, learn more about what we do here and what the cost is to join our membership. Thanks again for watching. Good luck in all of your trading.